Welcome back to Tumor Space, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have probably one of the best or more intense, biggest battle of the fragrance world. We have Club de Nuit Intense Man, Pure Parfum versus Supremacy Not Only Intense Collector Edition. Both are highly popular, both are often compared to Creed Aventus, and both have developed almost cult-like followings. But if you have to pick one, which one deserves your money? That's the real question. And let's find it out. Now, before we start, I know some of you already have a winner in the mind. Team Club de Nuit Intense or Team Supremacy Not Only Intense Collector Edition. But today we are going to compare them fairly in terms of multiple factors like scent profile, performance, projection, versatility, complement factor, and value for money. At the end, I'll tell you which one I would personally keep if I could own only one. So let's go. All right. Presentation wise, you see the same legacy bottle, premium feeling, recognizable, heavy. Yeah. Supremacy not only intense, limited edition on the other hand feels cleaner, more modern. Yeah, graphite design hai. Personally, I would prefer this presentation because it's very, kind of monotonous for the entire day. But presentation isn't why we are buying the fragrance, right? So let's move on to the important stuff. The first one is the scent profile, yeah? Let's start with Club de Nuit Intense Man. The opening is citrusy, bright, smoky, and immediately gives the Aventus inspired vibe. Now, the good thing about the Pure Parfum version is it's much better than the EDT and the EDP version. However, the limited edition very premium, feels great, but the price point is a little higher. Personally, I have taken these two under the consideration just because they falls under the same price bracket. Yeah, almost 4,000 rupees range. You will get both of these. Yeah. So lemon opening is not harsh here. It's very smoother than their EDT and the EDP version. EDT, just avoid, don't go for it. Okay, this is something which I feel probably a balanced approach if you're going for the Club Doing Intense Man. Dry down, woody hai, smoky hai, very masculine for sure. Same Creed Aventus vibe milti hai aapko yahan pe. There is no doubt about it. However, on the other side, this one has a totally different approach because you feel this is more on Creed Aventus Absolute की तरफ inclined है, not on the Aventus Creed Aventus, but थोड़ा Absolute साइड पे है, stronger है. Black currant का notes काफी stand out करता है, dark और woody fruity twist है. The current scent profile feels much richer, smoother, and slightly more modern. Yeah, Club de Nuit Intense Man sharp है, masculine है. This is more smoother and this is more winner in terms of scent profile. I would say this one. ये थोड़ा smooth है, just because it is more polished version. Yeah. Round 2 performance wise, both are beast mode. 7 से 8 घंटे दोनों में मिलेंगे. There is no doubt about it. But again, sometimes I feel this. If I have to compare the pure perform version to the limited edition, or you can say the collected edition of Supremacy Not Only Intense, I think this has a better performance than this one. ये आपको नेक्स्ट डे तक भी आपके कपड़ों से और आपको स्मेल आएगी. दिस इज रियली, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस इज बैड. दिस विल गिव यू 7 to 8 hours again the beast mode, but this is something I feel it has an edge over this one. Yeah. Versatility, I would say Club de Nuit Intense Man, office wear, dates, casual outings, travel, simply works everywhere. बहुत versatile है, and but as it is more richer, smoother, suits better when you are dressed up. Yeah, office wear, formal wear, if you're going for the party or going for a gathering, this is I believe this is a better choice. ये casual outings, evening wear, day wear, your signatures चलता है हर जगह. So versatility wise, it has an edge for sure. Now complement factor, भाई Creed Aventus की lineage है, kind of same. They both have the same DNA. Complement factor दोनों में है. As I said, it feels a little richer, थोड़ा smoother है, modern है. Personally, I got more compliment this one. Okay, so for me, this is the winner. Now coming to the value for money, 100 ml, 150 ml. So obviously, best value for money, I think. Not only because we are comparing this for Supremacy Not Only Intense Collector Edition, but again, if you are looking for some best alternative of Creed Aventus, or even if you're going for Club the New Intense Man इनकी range पे, तो I think this fits परफेक्टली वेल. बहुत वैल्यू फॉर मनी है. 150 ml में 4,000 रुपये में 7-8 घंटे की परफॉर्मेंस प्रोफाइल्स. ऑलमोस्ट लिमिटेड एडिशन इज टू गुड, यू नो, बट अगेन दिस इज फॉर पर्सनली आई फील this is best value for money Club the New Intense Man in the market. So final verdict, if I have to keep one, if your priority is maximum value, maximum versatility, best bang for your buck, go for Club the New Intense Man Pure Buffa. And if your priority is better scent quality, smoother experience, more refined fragrance, go with Supremacy Not Only Intense Collector Edition. Personally, my take is, I think this looks really great. Again, this is one of the best fragrance, or the inspired version of Club Creed Aventus Absolute. Best in the market, too good, there's no doubt about it. Even as a bottle, if you see, I think this should be in your collection. But again, this is something which you can't ignore. If you have budget of 4,000 rupees and looking for a best Creed Aventus DNA, this is the one. Now it's your turn. Tell me, Team Club the New Intense Man and Team Supremacy Not Only Intense. Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and support the channel. Until next time, when you think you are sprayed enough, 2 more sprays always.